Hello and good morning. This is Natalie Stevenson reporting live from your local news. And now we take a turn to look at a national trending topic, the temperate desert, or as I like to call it, the cold desert. As you can see here, the annual precipitation of the temperate desert ranges from a minimum of 20 centimeters to 27 centimeters. As for the temperature, there is a very wide range. From 30 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, winters are cold and summers are hot. Temperate deserts of continental regions have low rainfall and strong temperature contrasts between summer and winter. The intermountain region of the western United States between the Pacific coast and the Rocky Mountains, the temperate desert has characteristics of a sagebush semi-desert, with a very pronounced drought season and a short humid season. Most precipitation falls in winter, despite a peak in May. Aridity increases in the rain shadow of the Pacific mountain ranges. Even at intermediate elevations, winters are long and cold, with temperatures falling below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperate deserts occupy the drier parts of the highlighted regions. In some of these areas, it is difficult to distinguish grassland from desert. Many of these are inland areas and are separated from moisture by mountain ranges. Examples would be the Gobi Desert, or also known as the Himalayas, and the Great Basin of the southwestern U.S., or the Sierra Nevada. Mineral weathering and the loss of an ocean causes temperate desert soils to increase its salt content, which is known as salinization. And let's now take a look at plant and animal adaptations of the temperate desert. All succulent plants, such as this one, store water in the fleshy leaves, stems, or roots in compounds or cells from which it is not easily lost. Water is needed for many things. If the plant is to have it available, it must be stored. The burr sage is a drought deciduous plant. This means it drops its leaves in times of drought in order to keep from losing water. Leaf hairs on the brittle bush make the leaf surface appear white. White reflects all the colors of sunlight, thus reducing the temperature of the leaf's surface. The thorny devil lizard has developed skin that can absorb water. When facing a predator, this large chuckwalla lizard will scurry under a rock crevice and inflate the loose folds of skin along its body, making it difficult to pull from its hiding place. Camels store fat in their humps to be used as both a food and water source when the going gets tough. They also have thick eyelashes and thick hair in their ears for keeping out the sand. Camels also sport clawsible nostrils, a nictitating eye membrane, and wide feet that act like snowshoes in the sand. And that's a wrap for our daily trending topics. This has been Natalie Stevenson reporting on the temperate desert. Thank you and goodbye.